Welcome to 520 Morningside Park here in Airdrie. This detached home offers 3 bedrooms with 2.5 bathrooms. We have a ton of upgrades throughout, including the updated kitchen, quartz countertops, waterfall island with the undermount sink. The quartz continues throughout all 3 bathrooms. We have the updated flooring throughout. We have a double detached garage out back, and up front we have the covered patio. Come check it out.